What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Let's go ahead and open up some brand new 2022 Hot Wheels B-Case cars. A brand new casting for 2022, it is Brickin' Trails from Xpera Motors series. There is your new for 2022 right there on the card. Let's go ahead and open this one up, and these ones are very, very cool. We had the custom small block that was released about a year ago, and it had the mega block like Lego style little pieces on the top right here, and you could take it off and all that. And now we've got this one right here, which you can also take that little piece off right there, and you can put all your blocks and different pieces and all that. So it's really, really cool of a car that they're coming out with these ones that are Hot Wheels mixed with the Mega Box or Legos. So we can go ahead and let's put this, let's put it like right here. There we go. Very, very interesting new car to the Hot Wheels lineup. 57 Chevy from Chevy Bel Air series, and I love the paint job on this one. Let's go ahead and pop it open. This looks like a Valentine's Day car. That's definitely the color that they have on this. We've got a matte red with white trim on here. I love the look of this one right here. I even like the white wall painted wheel tire combination right there. Doesn't that look really cool? And we can see from the front end, we don't have a lot of details from as far as those lights go, but we do have the nice chrome grille, the chrome base all on the bottom as well. Just a really, really cool satin matte finish paint job on this one. I really like this Chevy Bel Air. Fast Fish from the HW Speed team. This brand new recolor of this car. This is kind of like it's a fantasy car that kind of looks like a muscle car, like a Mustang of some sort. That's kind of what it looks like. Reminds me of like the Cyberpunk vehicles from that video game Cyberpunk. It kind of looks like one of those vehicles. We got the orange track wheels on there. We got the see-through engine on there, and we got like a titanium interior and engine color on there. So very, very interesting. I actually think the design of this car is really, really nice. I mean, like I said, it does look kind of like a Mustang muscle cars type thing, so it's definitely a cool looking fantasy car. Hot Wheels Legends Tour winner, the 1970 Pontiac Firebird from HW Dream Garage. Check out this one with that custom engine on there. New for 2022, yes, brand new casting. So let's go ahead and pop this one open and get a close-up look at this Firebird. Wow, look at that. Look at the chrome all on the inside of this one right here. That exposed engine bay with kind of like, it looks like roll bars that are lining it. That's a very, very cool touch to it. If we look on the front end, we don't have as much as far as any stamping or anything goes. Pretty clean on the front. From the side, we do have a little bit of stamping for the sponsors and whatnot. And then on the back, we do have the stamping for the rear lighting. It does look like it does have a wide body to it as well, which is very, very cool. Super lowered, wide body, all customized out. What a great looking Pontiac Firebird. Congratulations to the winner from the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. Big rig in a new color from HW Ride-Ons series, and this one is a fantasy truck, which kind of looks like a stock car truck type of thing, but then it's got like totally crazy stuff on it. It looks like it's like almost like a speaker, a subwoofer or something on the back. A really weird looking spoiler that comes out on this one. It's a pretty neat looking truck though. I like the side profile look of it and that engine that kind of sticks out right there. The front is a little bit weird looking. It's kind of aggressive though, and these little like weird things on the top right here. I actually think it's a pretty neat design car. What do you guys think of this one? Tesla CyberTruck from HW Hot Trucks. We got a new variation, and I kind of struggle to find out why they're releasing new variations of the Cybertruck that are exactly the same color. It looks like the wheels are maybe slightly different, but it would be nice to see a new recolor of the Tesla Cybertruck. I actually am a big fan of the Cybertruck. I think it's definitely something crazy. It's kind of a love it or hate it type of thing, but just because it's so different, I really like it. I can't wait till it comes out in real life. But until then, we've got the Hot Wheels variations of them. I've got the big 1 in 10 scale, the 1 in 64 scale RC car, all the different Cybertrucks from Hot Wheels. I like collecting them. What do you guys think of this new variation of it? 2016 Cadillac Cadillac ATS VR new color from the HW Turbo series, and this casting came out several years ago, and it's been a while since we've gotten a recolor of it, so it's nice to see it back in the lineup. And this one's in kind of like a glossy maroon color to it right here, gray wheels on there. It looks very, very clean. I love the shine of this one. We got the big spoiler on there, just absolutely crazy obnoxious spoiler. The diffuser down there, the gray base, the grayish black kind of base on there as well. Love the front end profile look at that one. You can see that wide body look on there as well. It's an overall great looking car from Hot Wheels. Volkswagen Beetle from the Compact Kings series right here. Volkswagen was one of the most popular selling cars of all time, the Beetle, so we are glad to see it come in Hot Wheels formation in different colors and all that. You can see this one, it's got like a little bit of a metallic shine to this paint job right here, and it's got this woody trim on the side, which is actually kind of cool looking. I kind of do like it right here. I'm not sure exact year this is supposed to be. You can tell I know years of these Beetles based on the rear window, so if you know the exact year of what this one should be, let me know in the comments section down below. But until then, if you're a Volkswagen Beetle lover, then this one is definitely good to collect. BMW 3.0 CSL race car from Retro Racers. This is the mainline variation of what would be the Hot Wheels B case from 2022 Super Treasure Hunt, but it's nice to have this mainline. This car does look really good. I love the graphics on this car, so let's go ahead and have a closer look at it. As you can see, it kind of looks like the Brazil colors on here. I'm not sure if they intentionally did that, but it definitely looks really good. We got the 73 on the side, we got that big spoiler on the rear of it. We're seeing lots of recolors of BMWs coming from Hot Wheels, but hey, nonetheless, we do really like them. Look at that front profile with all the graphics there. There is your front on there. This is a little bit of a plastic indentation piece, which is a little bit weird for the casting. The bumper is also plastic on the front, plastic all on the base right here. But overall, I think it's a great looking design from Hot Wheels. Track Manga from the Spoiler Alert series. This one obviously has a big spoiler on there. Let's go ahead and pop it open and see this one. These cars are popular in Japan. They're all like lowered and done out, wide body, and then just absolutely crazy spoilers and exhausts that come out of them. You can see the big spoiler on this one right here. We got the colored base on there, and then just a super crazy body kit, super low front end. Just look at all the graphics on this one right here. That is very cool. I really like those graphics. I think it kind of suits the car for being such a crazy car. So definitely one of my favorites from the 2022 Hot Wheels B case. LOCO MOTORIN from the HW Metro series. We've got this one again. We've gotten lots of different recolors of this one. We even had it in the X Racer series, and we did see a full chrome one, and now we got this one right here, which has got chrome all on the top, but then the bottom is in like a maroonish red color right there. We don't have the Thomas the Train on the front, which we did see on one of them, or we do see some of the ones with the cards on there. We do see the Thomas on the front, but this one is just blacked out right there in a kind of a matte black finish. Big wheels on the back, smaller ones on the rear. But what do you guys think of the LOCO MOTORIN? Skull Shaker from the Toon series. We've seen this one several different recolors, and it's basically just a mini bone shaker, but then it's got the little guy on the inside. And if we look right on the wheel itself right here, you can see there's that little piece that kind of rests on the wheel. So when it rolls, we can see the guy just move. So there we go. You can see his head kind of move. We'll do it this way here so you can see his head shake back and forth. So it's definitely an interesting casting that they've done this one. This one's in a matte gray type of finish right here, and it says shake and go on the side of it with that big chrome exhaust that come up from the side, and there's your chrome skull on the front end. But a neat little car from Hot Wheels. Batman Akram Aslam Batmobile right here in a new color variation. Let's go ahead and pop this one out from the Batman series right here. And I'll be honest, I'm not a big fan of the color of this car. It's very odd looking. The car itself is fairly cool, but I prefer the original Batmobiles, or even like the Lamborghini, what was it, the Murcielago Batmobile. I think that one was really cool. So when we get these really crazy ones, sometimes they're cool to collect if they're in like the standard color, but in a color like this, I'm not a huge fan of. But what do you guys guys think of this Batmobile. And there we have all of the cars that we've opened up today. Let me know in the comments section down below which one was your favorite. Make sure you hit that like, follow, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.